Hi everyone, it's David here at Digitrains. I hope you're all well. Here's a video of a recent sound installation completed by John D from our workshop team, this time on a Heljan Class 15. John installed a Zimo MX645R sound decoder loaded with our ZS15ASL Class 15 active drive sound file for Zimo decoders and a Rail Exclusive 15x11x9 speaker. As this is an active drive sound file, it boasts a great range of engine sounds, horns, speed lock on F7 and brakes on F2. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're interested in getting decoders, sound or non-sound installed in your locomotives, please get in touch with our workshop team, either via email johng@digitrains.co.uk or over the phone on 01522 527 731. Thank you, and we'll see you again next time.